Engithi lova thatha ikhava sesiyavela. Yeah? The bodyguards have started. No, not the ones that protect us, but the ones that monitor our bodies. Ukuthi siyaslima, ukuthi siyawonda. Ungenaphi? Because what if today ke rata Movite? And then tomorrow ke batla mabele. And then the other day ke batla instant porridge. So o kena kae to monitor my body of your weight? Are you a bodybuilder? Are you a bodyguard? Are you a producer on The Biggest Loser? So where do you enter in my body? The only thing you should know is body language, not body weight. Sokushaya. Ngiyani amukela kumqobo yami bomuntu abakadad bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-auntie bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. It's Horuman Day in my kasi. So you know it's like a Saturday because we work at work. We touch this, we touch that. So we don't know what our working hours. We just know that the world is nice. But Soweto is nicer. Yes, guys, don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. So, sorry, Kamukhala, I have got you covered. This video is brought to you by Shop Stella, an online Jaeger store where you can get amazing clothing pieces for a fraction of the price. Nkanyezi has got you covered with some ibata yellow aikaze and the isoze ya puma, guys. Okay, she's got very stunning, very amazing pieces.
Hi management, fellow manager here. I've just opened up a new online clothing shop called Shop Stella, your new go-to women's fashion reseller. We specialize in trendy dresses, tops and skirts, all sourced from the best suppliers in China, just in time for the spring-summer season. If you love that Zara look but want it at a better price, we've got you covered. See something you love in this video? Send us a message on WhatsApp using the number in the description. Please note, stock and sizes are limited, so grab your favorites before they're gone. You can view all our available sizes and prices directly on our WhatsApp catalog. Please follow us on our TikTok account at ShopStella for more updates. Thank you, Sims, and thank you, management. And always remember, smart girls shop Stella.
Keri Jaeger Shop Ella. The one, Sana. Hi, Nina. Oh, Two-Face, you will pay for your sins. Okay? You had Annie literally crawling over broken glass and mud to fight for your heart that was unavailable because when at Two-Face, instead of using your heart, you were using your voice. Poo, 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 different frying pans. Poo, 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 different frying pans. You were on every other episode of Is He the Father? Is He not the Father? You are Nigerian, but in South Africa, you were on Utatako. Ooh! And then your name is Innocent. Is it not wild that Musa Kawula's name is Innocent and Two-Face's name is Innocent Idibia? Innocent Ngan. The last time you were ever innocent, it was when you were an ultrasound baby. After that, you Two-Faced. Oh, son. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ivonia my beginning your chineke. What you mean? Two-Facey. A baby here, a baby here, a baby here, a baby here. And who stood by you? All my life I had to fight Annie. Annie simtshela thina. Sithi Annie, we did biology from Angie Motsecha. And we know that if you do the Vinki Vongo without the protection, what do you get? A baby. And then Annie said, oh, but I love him. We said, Annie, love is for all you need is love. This is real life. And right now, Mori, he's the father. He's the father of all these other babies. And you said, he loves me. He always comes back to me. And we said, yo. Mseleko, come take your people. Annie, guys, Annie defended Two-Face through thick. Through thick. Thick, when you start making umqombothi and your dogo and your mabele becomes so thick. That's how Annie was protected. Mamela through thick. Yeah. And then what did Two-Face do? He thanked Annie ngeplate and nonsense. Yes. Two-Face came doing the long jump all the way from Kimberly. What it go? But I don't want you anymore. Any disbelief, shock. What? He said, I met the love of my life. And he said, what? I'm your soulmate. He said, yeah. Let me give you some advice, Annie. Don't ever let your husband or your wife stop you from meeting the love of your life, whether you are married or married or married. Yeah, yeah. And then Annie just got the shock of her life. Like we were shocked because we thought that Two-Faced found a clown to play with for the rest of his life. But even he got bored in the circus. Okay? He went and he found a young girl. No pimple. Life is simple. Natasha. Khona manje, they are walking around Sana with a baby bump. They have a stranger in the stomach. Natasha akababeki. Red Bull amaphiko. Cho! Impakamo. She's walking like this because why? She is Mrs. Idibia, the love of Two-Face's life. And hey, that's one thing about men, Sana. Men will practice with you. Men will do you at driving school. Yes, they will practice and practice. I get when you're a tata in the car. Yeah. And then when they see their dream car, oh, Sana, they've used you. They paid for the driving lessons. And then what? Because now they're going to treat their brand new car so fresh, so new. Eh? They're going to get 6 different types of hippo insurances. Yes, when you are school of driving, school of lessons. Yebo, abafana ke lapho. Nango Two-Face, umenze kanjani u-N. Any alohlanga longihlanga. And I'm not saying come back to Netflix. I'm just saying that do you, boo? Live your life. You are a stunning woman, okay? Just stop lying, Amy. And then everything will be fine. Ne? Okay, my sister. Ooh, Luna. Wanting me to talk about Nandi and the Rev. Asoze. The only place where I can talk about Nandi and the Rev is when I'm a witness at court. Because this is the strongest GPV case I've ever witnessed with my own 2 eyes. Okay? I went through this with Siatela and Tando. You want me to go through this with Reverend and Nandi? I refuse. I cannot. I will not. I shan't not. I will not. Yeah? Huna kakate. Mina kakate hauna. Niko bikabuswa ngizlele. Never. Me. Talk about these 2. Uzola. No Nandi. The only Zola I want to speak about is Zola 7. Nezola la. Ngasemdeni. Huh? Nina. Woo! Abo body weight bona. Ngibafuna la. You guys said Uncle Waffles was too skinny. And then Uncle Waffles, she ate more waffles. And then she became gong 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 gong. Ooh, yeah, climb. And then you know, and then she was thick. And she was very nice when she was thick. Like, she was still gorgeously, devastatingly amazing when she was thick. Like, oh, Uncle Waffles. Like, guys, cheapy, you know, beautiful in her thickness. Then it's always men. It's always men. It's always the insecure women. It's always the ones that are not beautiful. I'm not saying no one is ugly, but the ones that are not beautiful are the ones that are ugly. It's always those ones. They started speaking. Ooh, she's gaining weight. She's gaining weight. She's gaining weight. Okay, sharp. She had a latest video out on her social media right now. She's back to being the original weight. You remember when we first met Uncle Waffles? Anyway, I was like, oh, that G-string is getting in them sinsila. But as long as she's heavy, it's okay. The Uncle Waffles we originally met was very petite. And then now she's back to being petite. Guess who has a speak and a spoke and a kuluma and a bua? Oh, Watu engine teka. Come take me away from these people. They are now saying, ooh, Ozempic, ooh, skinny, ooh. You see, in life, you do, they talk. You don't, they talk. So what does that mean? Do you? Do you? Or be Nike, just do it. Because they talk, they don't talk. They speak, they don't speak. They have sign language. They don't do sign language. They do it in Zulu. They do it in Khoisan. Speaking, ba rata go bua ba makgakga wa ntlhaloganya. Yeah, guys, I need to stop this video because le health clear. Wow, angeke ngishilo ngathi vele angisagcoka ama-health because iyangibamba iyangibhitshisa manje ngifila ngathi I don't have this part of my body. This body works for me.